Welcome back to Qsfleetnews, where we bring you the latest in the automotive industry. I'm your host, Leslie Walker, and today we're diving into some big news from Ford Motor Company. Ford just reported a 5% increase in third quarter revenue compared to last year, slightly ahead of Wall Street expectations. But despite the positive growth, the company is still grappling with issues in its electric vehicle division. Ford revealed a significant $1.2 billion loss connected to the cancellation of its highly anticipated all-electric three-row SUV. The company also pointed to increased industry-wide pricing pressure in the electric vehicle market, which continues to present challenges for automakers across the board. Looking ahead, Ford adjusted its annual earnings forecast to $10 billion, which falls on the lower end of their earlier predictions. This comes after a rough second quarter report, where Ford fell short of expectations and strong competition from U.S. auto giant General Motors, who posted impressive results last week. Ford is clearly under some pressure, and it'll be interesting to see how they navigate the growing EV landscape. Stay tuned for more updates on the automotive industry, right here on Qsfleetnews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications on all our latest reports. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for watching Qsfleetnews.